pag-usapan natin yung makabagong teknolohiya and how adapted na ang Pilipino.
Sir, yung makabagong teknolohiya, once you talk about technology, ang mga Pinoy kasi is we're the social media capital of the world.
Hmm.
Oh, so I think that would not be very difficult for the Filipinos, no? Maraming nagsasabi sa amin sa DICT, napakahirap ng trabaho ninyo because you're dealing with technology. Sometimes perong hindi nag-a-accept ng technology because of their
Yes.
age. However, that's for me that's a different view because our view is that tayo nga yung social media capital of the country. So of the world. So ngayon, it's very easy for us to actually do business online. So on and
Kumbaga,
so forth.
umunlad ang ating mga kabuhayan because of technology.
Ma'am.
Pero may mga negative effects ba ang technology sa opinion mo?
Well, marami pong negative effects ang technology. Same din po 'yan sa mga different na mga bagay na bawal po ang sobra.